Hey guys, showing you this 4-tier small bookshelf, triple wide bookcase with the 10 storage shelves, open shelf bookshelf, or any storage or display that you want to use. So in the unboxing, you can see all the parts. Everything is marked, and all the shelves are provided with the numbers on it, so you know which part is what. The assembly is straightforward, everything is explained in the manual, and the instructions, screws, and everything is provided. So then you can see this is most like a Lego thing, so it should be really easy. Just join one after one and put in the stuff on the top and just put the numbers in the size and just add it up. So once on the top, you have to put this type of black screws that comes, so that will not hurt. This is the final product, and you can see the shells and everything is sturdy. I just put some more stuff randomly, but you can of course put in the box or the way things you want. And this is a really nice sturdy storage or the display thing that you can use for anything you want. uh, I just show like the heavy weight in the bottom, so you know that it can withstand the heavy weight as well. So yeah, it's a really nice and thingy bookshelf and storage display.